love big melons, yeah. Or big yikes. Is it? I love big melons.
Hi everyone, I'm Pauly Blanch and we're here with Fenty Beauty and we're in the makeup room with our gorgeous friend Aspen.
Hey y'all.
And we're going to show you how to cover and conceal under eye darkness and circles with the Wear Even concealer. So I love to start with skincare and prepping the skin. I feel like it's very important to do that so we're not taking anything away from our foundation or our concealers. I always start with a lip balm.
Love it.
I love Plush Pudding, it's super hydrating. And honestly, I love putting quite a lot on. And I start with the lips because I just feel like, you know, when we're like hydrating the lips, when we get to the lips at the end of the makeup, it's just had time to sink in. Like you give it the maximum time to just be hydrated.
Yes, also it smells so good.
So using the fat water first. I actually really love the 110 brush because it's quite compact. And we're gonna like press it into the skin.
Oh, so you apply it with a brush.
I actually do love applying with a brush.
Okay.
I mean, when it's yourself and you're in a hurry, like go for it with your hands. But as an artist, for me, I really love working in with a brush.
It feels like I'm getting a face massage, so I'm into it.
Oh my God, your skin's so nice.
Thank you. I've been working really hard.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in one of my favorite products from Fenty Skin. This is the Hydrovisor Moisturizer with SPF. It's so yummy. Have you tried this one yet?
I have.
It's so good.
It is.
I just love using the same brush for that. And I always say start like in the center of the face, more like T-zone area. So then when we're working the product out, we're not left with a residue up here in the hairline. And of course, a little bit down on the neck. Come on, just bring it all in.
I feel so hydrated already.
You look it.
Wow.
I love
Great.
it, right? This is the Thick and Smooth eye cream. Comes in a little tub where you wind up.
Ooh.
And so this is super hydrating and it's gonna help depuff under the eyes. And I use a little flat brush. How does it feel?
I feel so great.
Yeah.
I'm like, it feels
I'm kinda
so
jealous.
light. You should be.
I'm next. So I guess we're gonna go into our concealing now.
Ooh, my favorite part.
Yeah, me too. I love concealer.
Yes.
So with the Wear Even concealer, it's nice and hydrating. So it's gonna give us a really nice amount of time to apply on the eye. It's not gonna grab. It's also gonna give great coverage and it's long wearing. We're going with a warm tone undertone for the concealer. That's gonna help counteract any depth under the eye and we can use it on some extra areas when we have a little bit of pigmentation or depth in the skin.
Okay.
So another thing that I really love about this concealer is there's 50 shades. And I think that's so important because there's so many different undertones for so many different people. I think it's important to have a variety. I actually start more on the inside of the eye. How I love to cover the under eyes and to get that build up is actually doing a little patting stipple motion. So also when I'm applying, I really love having whatever's left in the brush and I'm patting and stippling out. And I kind of just like, you know, bring a little bit up around the eyebrow. I mean, this is not just gonna be where we're gonna finish at. It's just like giving us a little extra zhuzh. It gives us a little vibe. I'm all about a vibe when I'm doing makeup. Sometimes I'll just like do something random to just change the vibe. But having this is just gonna like give us a little extra vibe where we're going.
Oh.
Oh,
Wait.
right? I told you, this
Oh.
concealer is it.
And it literally looks like my skin.
Yeah, it's so lovely. It actually has such a beautiful skin finish.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
This concealer is also really great. It's actually powered with skincare, so it's really great and hydrating. This shade specifically for you as well because we have a little depth here. It's actually the same tone as what is under the eye. It is a bit warm for the face, but to correct the depth here, we need that. What happens is when we use a concealer that is like the normal shade of our face, on something that's darker, it's not necessarily going to cover that. Because the dark is actually just gonna come, it's gonna project through and it's gonna look a little ashy or gray over time. So you want the warmth or the depth in there to counteract, so we're almost correcting it. I've got these little secret questions from the Fenty team, and you're gonna put your hand in here, this box.
Okay. I feel good about this.
You better pick the right one.
Did I pick 2 or 1? What was your favorite Rihanna look? I think one that made me like gasp was her Met Gala look when she had that yellow moment on. And then another one was her maternity shoot with the pink jacket, the jeans.
So we're gonna jump in and add a little bit of eardrop skin tint. This is really great. It's really lightweight, it's hydrating. And we're just gonna add this in the areas with a little bit more coverage, blend it through into our concealer. Again, with the 110 foundation brush. Love this little paddle brush, it's so great. And you can see that's just gonna add a little bit more coverage. You can see that side there. That looks so good, come on.
It feels so good too. It feels so light.
Okay, so from there, I just wanna lightly give a little dusting of the Universal Invisimatte under the eye. That's going to help prevent any like creasing. So this one, the Universal shade, is actually great for all skin tones. It's not going to leave any like white cast or anything like that.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I definitely have 2 of these in my bag.
Yeah.
It's my go-to.
Me too.
Yeah, no flashback either.
Right.
It's that girl.
I love to actually grab a little brush with a little bit and I hold it on for a minute. You know what I mean? Just let it do its
let it
thing.
marinate.
Right.
Okay.
It presses it right in.
I really like it because it still looks like my skin.
Yeah.
There's like dewiness.
You're glowy.
I don't look flat. I look hydrated.
So I'm going to apply a shade stick. This is Espresso.
Ooh.
So lovely. It's like a deep, warmish tone. A really good tip with applying straight to the face is not starting too close to the hairline. I'm always trying to get away from the hairline. I kind of just start here, right? And then I'm going to use like a little stippling motion again to just almost like punching that up into the jaw line, really popping that cheekbone out.
So you go upwards.
I pretty much go upwards, and like, I mean, we can do little like circular motions, but I love doing a stipple motion because we can really see the depth that we want. Let's do another question.
Let's do it.
Yeah?
Oh my god, I get so nervous every
I don't know why
time.
you're getting nervous for.
Because
You know
I
you're
wanna pick
doing
the
my
right
makeup
one.
next time.
That would actually be really fun.
I know.
That would be a good time. Rapid fire. Okay. Pro Filter foundation or eavesdrop? Eavesdrop. Icon Velvet liquid lipstick or gloss bomb? Gloss bomb all day. Gloss bomb ice or gloss bomb heat? Gloss bomb heat. I love gloss
Oh,
bomb
you
heat.
do. Lucky we have that today.
Do we? Do we have the
Yeah,
brand
yeah, we
mention?
do. I got
Oh,
it for
that's-
you.
That's my
I was like,
girl.
let's go on
Okay.
her today.
I like the rapid fire. That was fun.
So let's do a little bit of blush.
Okay.
I'm gonna add that little bit of color into the cheek.
Yes,
What do you
love.
use? What do you normally use? What's your color?
I love an orangey tone. So big
yum.
melon.
Oh yeah,
That's
we
my
got
jam.
big melons.
I love big melons. Yeah. Or big yikes. Is it? I love big melons. I like the blush. Okay.
Okay, so big melons. This is the Cheeks Out cream blush. Love it. I love this
Obsessed.
color for you. I personally love to start up high. Yeah, I know. There's a few different new things that I've been doing. I actually love bringing the blush up underneath the eye.
I love that.
It's so good. It's like a little snatch. It's so crazy. Okay, and I'm just kind of like stamping it in, right? Ooh, girl.
Oh, it's
Ooh, girl. So we're just gonna finish off the look.
Okay.
Hella thick mascara.
Okay.
We know we love this mascara.
Yes.
We want those lashes to come through.
Exactly.
And a little bit of the shadow stick just into the eye, just into the lash line.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, you have that really lovely like depth on the eye, which I love.
It's like
Love, love,
built-in
love.
shadow.
It's so good. No, it's great. Do a little shuffle into the lash. We're not even gonna have to do too much. This is Hot Chocolate Heat
Yes.
Gloss Bomb.
Look how
so
rich
great.
that color is.
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh my gosh. And the doe foot.
It's so needed. I just love the amount of color too. It's great because it evens out the tone on the lip. It's a plumping gloss. So while we're waiting, letting it tingle and plump up, let's get one more question in.
Let's do it. Third time's a charm. 2 hands, good luck. I like the thick ones. Days. What's your fave beauty trend hack of 2023? For me, underpainting.
Okay.
Like starting with contour, concealer, and then going
Yeah.
in with my foundation.
Yeah.
I've tried that a lot this year, and I like it.
This is a big secret of mine, and I love it, and you're gonna get
Exclusive.
it. I actually love using eyebrow pencils to shape the lips. Boom. Like a chocolatey brown,
Yes.
thin eyebrow pencil.
Yes.
Like the one that Fenty
because
has.
the shade, especially for deeper skin
Because
tones,
also,
is so
like,
great.
especially around here, I love
Yeah.
a shaded lip. So you get that really nice, sharp line
Yeah.
with a gloss over it. It's like insane.
Oh my god, my lip is my favorite part.
You've got great lips to play with. We're bad today. I hope everyone enjoyed our little tips and tricks with our new Wear Even concealer. This is yours now.
Thank you so much.
That's your shade.
I will be using
You look
this every day.
amazing.
Thank you.
Looks so great. I feel like I was saying ears. Ears. My accent gets me sometimes. So the Ease Drop Foundation, it's really lightweight.
Skin tint?
It's a skin tint. Okay. The Ease, fuck me. Shit. Wait, I'm going red now. My shade's changed.
My shades changed. You need some eavesdrop skin tint.
Yeah, I do.